Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. Today I'm going to be using the mother's new lens to bring these headlights back to life because they're oxidized pretty bad. I got the mother's. I'm going to unbox it, see what's in it. Got the 3000 finishing pad, or sanding, the backing to go on your drill. It'll also polishing. This will do up to 4 lights. Directions. Buffing pad. And then looks like your sanding pads. Looks like 1500, 800, and then this would be your 3000. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a full video how-to. Thank you very much. Have a good day.